Jeez, the camera can see better than I can. I swear, like I can't see much of anything. But I'm heading out to Wipers again. It's been a while actually, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, see you out there. It's raining and snowing. Jeez, I can hardly see, so I'm just gonna stay behind this truck. Just going like 70. It's a 100 zone. I don't really care. The old classic gas plants. That's where you turn. Jeez, can't see far, but it's nice to be out here again. Some guy in a little Corolla had to pass me. I thought I was going kind of quick. I guess he was in a bigger hurry than me. Oh, is this it? Yeah, this looks like it. Oh, I don't like these angles, but it doesn't matter. I'm just not used to it. Oh, what the hell? Okay. Nice. Little thing to cook on. There's a big trailer up there. Here's my usual spot. Let's see, can I like to have the nose up a bit. Yeah, here we are. Good. I like to turn all the way to the right. My parking brake's not working, so I don't know. Chance of the transmission failing and rolling is close to 0. But yeah, anyways, we're sitting at -2, pointing northwest. I got a dinner to make and some video games to play. Let's do this. First, get the heater going. Alright, startup procedure. And I never do this, but oh, why is the music going? It's playing through my phone and I'm recording. Okay, let's get this. Where's that wire? Anyways, I'm gonna be hooking up my lead acid battery for this one. I usually don't run it because it wears it out, but I can't do this holding the camera. There we go, all good to go. Now, when I shut off the key, it's gonna connect that to my lithium-ion battery, which I have to run a relay that does that because it's just too much voltage when it's charging. You gonna light today? Let's just confirm that it's going. I can just change it to temperature and I just make sure that's climbing. Yeah, 8 Celsius. And come on, 10 Celsius. Come on. Oh no, it's not lighting. I hate having to blow into the... Oh, come on. Well, that took like 3 tries to get it to light. I guess I gotta open it and clean it. I still haven't done that since I got this new pump, but hopefully it doesn't go out here. It should quiet down. But yeah, I had to move. I was over there before because of the direction the wind is going. Yeah, I didn't want the diesel smoke blowing in the window all night. But yeah, see, that's more like the volume it should be. Alright, let's get inside and start doing things. Open this window, switch the fan around so it sucks out instead of blowing in. Well, tonight I brought a steak. Just had to clean my pan and my sink. And I got some oil. I'm gonna let that heat up a bit, and then I'll throw my steak on. Where is that? Here it is. Canadian AAA beef, $7. Brought utensils to eat with because I just remembered I need those. Oh, there's a knife. Ooh, it's another knife. Ooh. Aha, perfect. All right, let's do this one-handed. Maybe my left hand. No. Got some Philly steak. Montreal, not Philadelphia. Get it right. Alright, now I cook mine medium rare. Get it. It gets a little hot in here. That's much faster updating temperature than this one. I don't know, this takes forever. But yeah, this is the sensor right here for this one. And this is inside. But yeah, it's like 38 degrees in here. Alright, I'd say that's just done. I'm gonna let the pan cool off a bit. Just get the inside warm, but not enough to cook it. I have a filter on my diesel air heater, so usually there's nothing in the air, but I guess there is some today. 37 degrees. A little overdone. Yeah. Actually, the center is a lot better. Call that a pass. Oh, I'm making a mess. I can rinse off my hand in the sink. I love that I have that. Oh yeah. Oh, it's me, of course. Of course. Gonna play some Halo. That is, if it doesn't need an update. I don't update. I keep the updates off of automatic, so if I remember to check before I leave, great. But I did not this time. Oh, what do you know? It did need an update, so I guess I'll just play a little bit of... What do I got? Trials Evolution or Geometry Wars. Some Geo Wars. Okay, I'll try to play with one hand here. Here we go. Oh. Oh, well, that's Geometry Wars. Well, that was fun while it lasted.
Good morning. That was a good sleep. Whenever I'm editing these videos, my voice always sounds so different in the morning. I don't notice when I'm speaking though, but yeah. Alright, it's time to make some breakfast. 11.14. Not really sure how much power is left in there. I know my inverter will stop working at 10.2, but the diesel heater will go till, I don't even know, probably 9.5. Cheese, mayo, hot dog, and some eggs for breakfast. Like it. And some coffee. Isn't much, but I'm happy. That was good. Now, I just realized, like, I haven't smelled any of that soot or diesel smell that I was getting every other time I've used this. Since I cleaned it and siliconed all of the things closed and replaced the pump, this thing is working amazing now. It's a lot warmer out than I thought it would be today. Apparently +5. So yeah, it's getting a little warm in here. That temperature you're seeing is no longer just at the ceiling. It's actually that warm in here. Oh, there we go. If that could just stay on, I'd be happy. I'm trying to run the heater to just test it, basically, see if it's gonna stand up to my pending vacation whenever that happens. Figured I'd run the heater on max just for a little bit before I shut it off. Seems to be getting hotter in the core temperature, so I think it's fixed. Well, I might not have to pull it apart to clean it. We'll see. I was able to run on minimum, which sometimes is an issue. Look at that view. I came out here. I was so hot from being in there that I just came out here in my t-shirt for like 10 minutes. I was warm. I mean, it's pretty warm out today. I wouldn't be surprised if it was 8 degrees when I start up the van and look at that. Okay, at the beginning of the night, my fuel level was just under the tip of that wood. So, I don't know, that's like 1.5 liters. That's not bad for, got here at 9. Now it's about 12 hours. I ran it on just over medium the whole night with the fan pulling in air, and it was around, I'd say, average 0 all night. Like 35 Fahrenheit, something like that. I don't know the conversion, but yeah, I'll just shut this off now. Yeah, I was only getting 122 Celsius before, but now it's 132, 134. So we'll run the cool down, shut off procedure here.
sequence, whatever you want to call it. Just forgot to turn off that one light. And then van's packed up, ready to go. Nowadays, every time I see a view like this, I try to think, what did this look like 100 or 200 years ago? And I think the truth is exactly the same. As long as we haven't touched it. I mean, we did have a flood, and I think it was in 2013, that totally changed the way this valley looks. But honestly, not by much. It made it up to the 13th row of seats in the saddle. Guess it's time to get this rust bucket back to Calgary. Well, thanks for watching my video.